Hi guys. So after 5 takes of Sella getting out 3 words and having the giggles, I'm going to do the intro again. The plan was for her to do it. So anyway, so welcome to day 222 of our Philippine house build. Let's see, we've been working on the fence. We did get some reinforcements for the fence. You'll see that in a bit. Working on the roof. There's been a couple more leaks over the generator room and water room. And let's see, we started grouting on the shower walls, and we tore out the door from the carport into the house because I just wasn't liking how it was turning out, so we started all over again. So I think that we all agreed on the way it's set right now and what's going to happen. So anyway, we'll go over all that with you, and hopefully Sella will be done with the giggles by then. So we'll see you in a second. Okay, so quick weather check. Cloudy / sunny over by the mountains. You can see pretty much all the mountain, but a little hazy there. And we did cut down all the vegetation along the front here has been taken out, so the whole front area is all cleared now. That's the water main. If we wanted to go with municipal water, but we decided against it. And just real quick, the reason we didn't go with it was because it wasn't dependable. The neighbor was saying sometimes you had water, sometimes you didn't, and I didn't want to deal with a huge tank, so it just wasn't for me. So we did end up going with a well. So that's it there. So you get a real nice view of the front of the house now that all that vegetation's down. So this is kind of what we're looking at. And this fence will be partial block and partial aluminum vertical fencing on top. So you'll be able to see the front of the house from here. Obviously that's the driveway area. I know, finger, I got caught, sorry. And transformer pole over there. So that's it there. Let's go catch up with Sella, and we'll get you guys caught up on what's going on. So he's touching up the roof. They're putting a treatment anywhere there's rust, like where you cut the roof panels or there's a scratch. They put some type of treatment on it that kills the rust, and then they're painting over it. So still working on the flashing / beauty cover for the actual gutters. That's just a cover for it that you're looking at there. So that's that. I don't think there's anything now. There's really nothing new on the front there, so we'll skip that. Do you want to go do the fences real quick on the side? So it looks like we're almost out of gravel for concrete. Looks like we got a cat chilling over here. So this sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you, baby. Go ahead. You can go first. Go.
You already rendering the column.
Okay.
I'll finish it.
Yeah. So this corner here, which is the pole for the transformer, is acting as our corner post for our fence. We did end up putting the broken glass on the top, and as Sella said, they're started the rendering on the columns. We are going smooth on the columns and the wall. I didn't like the rough finish because it catches plant material, dust and whatever gets caught on it, and then mold and algae starts growing on the wall. So I thought smooth finish was the best deal. So that's it there.
Yeah, we will render also this,
the wall itself. We got some columns, re-rod for the columns there. like he's moving on to that column there, but they got that one done. That one, as you can barely see through the clothes there. Yeah, that one's been done. So looks like he's starting on that one right now. Excavator. So yeah, the roof guy slash materials, we're buying all of our rough materials from. The owner there also owns a small excavator, which you're looking at right now, and a small loader. Yeah, those are holes for the scaffold. Anyway, we hired him. He's the one that's going to be bringing all the fill, leveling everything out to our specs that we want, and he's digging trenches and the holes for the columns. Shook that whole area down next to the stream there, and then he's going to dig the column holes. So there's a column there on the end of this wall that hasn't been poured yet, but the steel is there. So every column from there going this way, this direction, all the columns, the bases are going to be 2 meters by 2 meters instead of 1 meter by 1 meter, and that's going to help roll the wall up and allow it not to be pushed over. So this is saving a lot of work for the guys. So he's doing a good job for us. So that's that. There's JR. What's that?
We go this area, go in there, or you go to the other
What,
part?
the other wall?
Yeah.
I mean, it's the same as this. I mean, we can look at it if you want.
Yeah.
Go look? Okay, let's go to the front.
Yeah.
Go to the front. I don't want to deal with climbing that right now. Yep. We don't know from what, though.
I don't know. For the chicken. I sorry.
What?
I slept a while ago my avocado. And we come
So all the downspouts will go into these catch basins. So he's this is a foreman again. So he's setting up the height of this catch basin to match the garage carport floor. Here's another catch basin, and again, so the downspouts there, they run into catch basins, and in the bottom of the catch basin there's 4-inch pipe that'll head to drain all that water away from the house. So the plan here is, so the inside tile elevation, there's going to be a 4-inch drop to the front porch tile elevation, and then there'll be another 4-inch drop to the top of that catch basin. And the catch basin itself is going to be ground level, so you're looking at ground level at the top of that catch basin. That'll be our final grade, and then everything will drain down towards the streets, away from the house. So this one still needs to be elevated.
and you put already glass.
Yeah, here, let me, I'll give you a close up for those who haven't seen what they do. We buy bottles and they end up breaking them up into small pieces, and then they take the small pieces and just embed them into the concrete. like that. So we did set elevation. Roughly this tank here is going to be the high point. And you can see by the dryer exhaust there, just below it, that's the mark. That's going to be the height of our elevation. And then from there, it will drain towards the wall, so it'll end up going that direction. Also, that's going to be the high point there. So from there, going towards the back of the house, it's going to run downhill. And then from there to the front of the house, it's going to run downhill. And then everything drains away from the house this direction and front to rear. So we shouldn't have any water or standing water issues. In the rain. So that's it there. I don't really see anything different over here. So that's it there. Nope. We are going to do where all the catch basins run. We are going to do 6-inch pipe. Since we're doing 4-inch downspouts, we'll do 6-inch pipe to drain all that water away, because you're going to have multiple downspouts running through that piping. So that's it there. What's that? Go in through the front door if you want to. I'm gonna take my shoes off because I walked through that concrete. The wet concrete.
Already came here, by the way.
Did he?
You will tell we always again passing with our sleeper. I will carry your sleeper.
Ooh, is that a chip?
Yes.
We gotta replace that tile. Hey, Jaya?
Oh, this one also. Kaya nga, palitan natin.
Pull them up and replace.
Thank you.
Thank you, babe. And remember I told you the door guy shouldn't be working here? And that's what happens, and that's why I didn't want him working. So next time I'm gonna tell him, right when I see it, no working in the house on the tile.
How about when you are installing the older doors?
That is quite the wind, grabbing that door. Alright, so that's that. And just so you didn't, in case you didn't see, there's a chip right there and a chip right there.
How about here? We have chip here.
I don't know, I'm not sure. Yeah, this would have been our guys.
Yeah, he covering a lot nicely. That's why they put the...
Yeah, and it doesn't really matter because we knew these tiles against the door were going to come out, but yeah, as you can see, that all got chipped out of there, and we reset the door. Top gap is correct, 3 millimeters all the way around. The door guy will have to plane down the door here because it does get a little tight in some areas. We don't have the 3 millimeters, so you can see that's pretty much touching there. But I'm pretty happy about this. This looks good to me. Lavatory, nothing really new in here. Yeah, that's it there. So just so you know, we did talk it over. We're looking to move in 3 weeks. So we're going to, Monday we're starting to apply for our occupancy. We're going to do the minimal cabinets and interior doors and finish up the electrical. Hopefully that's enough that we'll be able to get in. So there's attic access, and this is a pantry here, and then obviously the breaker panels there.
So after the paint also, the painter will come also on Monday to finish up our interior walls, ceiling.
Right.
So we can do it next.
Right. So what we're going to do is on the walls, like obviously this is going to have base cabinets all the way across here. This is our kitchen. That'll be L-shaped. So it'll be that whole wall, and then this whole wall to somewhere in this position. This will be the refrigerator, so the cabinets will stop somewhere right there. So we're going to draw a line on the wall where the cabinets are going to be, so they don't have to worry about knowing where they don't really have to repaint and worry about it, because it's going to be behind the cabinets. Also, we'll have an upper cabinet in that corner. Upper cabinet in that corner running over to just to the right of that vertical plug right there. That vertical plug is actually for an exhaust fan for the cooktop. So we're having a separate cooktop. So I have a built-in oven in the lower cabinet, and then on top of the countertop will be a gas burner cooktop. So anyway, so we got upper cabinets run across, then we got that hood, and then we got more upper cabinets. So we're gonna draw that out there. We'll draw out the lavatory is going to get a vanity right there, so we'll draw lines on the walls so they know where they needs to look good and areas that don't matter. Yeah, so I think that's it. Living room. The door wall, which we call it, sliding door, I think is probably a more popular name. We are going to have the guys cut this piece here across the tile and then cut it down and get rid of this and then bring the whole frame in towards the tile, because right now this is up against, this frame is up against the tile here. I want this part up against the tile to close up this huge gap here. So they need to do that. Also, they're going to be bringing our 4 fixed windows here. Okay. Hallway, we bought, I bought stainless pipe. These are going to be for the hangers for the 2 closets, Shenrick's room and the spare bedroom. So these will be cut to length and then mounted on the wall under a shelf. So it'll be similar for those of you in the US. You know what that is, but for everybody else, there'll be a pole that runs across here from that wall to that wall, and just above it, there'll be a shelf above it. So you can use the shelf, you can use the hanger rod for as many clothes you want, and then we'll have, for furniture in here, we'll have a dresser for Shenrick for anything that's folded. And that's about it in here.
Sorry guys, it's blackout today. We don't have, I think, all over Sorsogon city not electricity right now, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Right.
All
So,
national,
but yesterday,
they have, I don't make my phone.
yesterday they started the grout,
Grouting here.
so you can see how far he got. So the corner marble shelves are set, and he got the bench grouted and part of the wall, as you can see. So he started late yesterday, and so that's what he did. So yeah, it's like he got onto that side wall and also that side wall. So good start in here, but today he couldn't. There's a Philippines called a brownout. Back in the U.S. we call it blackout, because brownout for us is partial power. Blackout is 0 power, and it's 0 power. So that's it there.
Nothing new here.
Spare bedroom. This will also get that pole for hangers across here in the closet, and a shelf just above it. So that's that. Again, like Stella was saying, painters will be coming back. Hopefully in a week they can have everything repainted in here, finished and repainted, because we told them we wanted the interior done. And then they can leave again, and then when they come back to finish the exterior and finish the exterior painting, the wall, fence painting, they'll have to come back into the interior and do the doors and cabinets at that time.
And then also the paint this one already also. Like,
Yeah, that one could be painted too, yeah.
but our door guy will make that door, 3 doors the priority, right? The
Right. So Shenrick's room will be one of the priority doors. We told him we wanted it in the next couple weeks. This shower door here, and then our main door here. So that'll give us, everybody, the privacy they need to either sleep or shower. So Shenrick will shower in here. That'll be his bedroom. And then we have our bedroom, our shower, and closet, obviously. So we told him at least we need those. And then also we told him we told him we wanted the kitchen cabinets first, but what we decided to do was we were gonna have the foreman, I'll be right back, baby. We told the foreman we were gonna use a dirty kitchen instead of this kitchen right away for moving in. So we're gonna get this dirty kitchen all set. We'll use that as a kitchen temporarily till he can get the rest of these cabinets done, but at least that gets us moved in. So Monday we are starting the occupancy permit and inspections, and we'll see how that goes. And obviously the inspections are 2 or 3 weeks out, but we'll start the occupancy paper. Our architect is doing that for us. We just contacted him earlier today, so he'll be doing that. Laundry room, attic access, nothing else really new. There, master. I don't really see anything else new in the bedroom. And
The father in Santander. And my uncle also.
oh, look at that! Wow. All right. So we got 3 people in here doing grout work. We got some ceiling going on here. So this must have been done yesterday because you're supposed to wait 12 hours. So that's good. We got the whole back wall grouted. The shower detail is grouted. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Nice job, guys.
It's becoming standout, the
Yeah.
color of this, right?
Yeah, yeah. The grout definitely adds to it.
Yeah,
Right?
it's becoming white and
Yeah. So so this is the before and after grout. So you can see the grout doesn't really pop everything, but you know once you get the grout in there, everything really pops nicely. So.
nice.
Very nice, very nice. All the shelves look like they're set. Oh, no, just this side.
No, that
Looks like they're working on that side over there. So everything looks good in here. In the main bath, the floor tile, sorry about the hand again. So the floor tile meeting the curb and the riser of the curb, with the grout lines match the floor. The riser matches the floor. But the actual step itself, the grout lines match the interior. So that's just where they worked out. So that's that. In the main bathroom, somehow, I don't know how, but everything lines up. The floor tile with the curb, the top of the curb, and the back wall, everything, I don't know how, lined up perfectly in that bathroom, so, but not so much in here. So yeah, we'll draw a line here for the painters, the 2 areas, so there'll be a huge mirror up here, so we'll draw a rectangle there, we'll draw a rectangle down here, and that'll happen in all the bathrooms, so they know where to paint and look good and where it doesn't matter. Attic access in here. This is our walk-in closet, hot water heater there.
I want to ask them something, but you would hear me if Tagalog lang.
That's okay, go ahead.
I-check. Ano na oras pinanong ka? Kanina lang? Yeah, kanina. Oras mo yan. Taxi lang ha? Okay, good. 12 hours, 15 hours.
What's that?
That one. Tukod na sila.
12 or 15, I don't know, it says it on the jar, but whatever I said yesterday, I can't remember. But definitely looks good in here. I like it.
It's popping up, huh?
Yeah. And the shower floor will get a gray sanded. So all the walls are non-sanded grout. The bench is non-sanded. The shower floor will have sanded gray grout. And then all the floors on the inside of the house here will have white sanded grout. So we got 3 different types of grout.
I want to check this out.
It's so nice to look when you have already the ground.
Especially get the cover on there after. Yeah, that'll be nice. So that's it there.
Can I pass over with your lock already?
Yeah. So JR's blocking everybody from coming in and out of the house. Yeah, I'm blocking that off. There we go. Alright, so yeah. Maybe the dogs, keep the dogs out. Yeah, I don't want the dogs in here for sure. Bad enough they're pooping everywhere outside. So this is going to be the view out the bedroom. Sucks, doesn't it? All those years of work paying off. I get hopefully another 30 good years with this view. So there's a possibility once all this is done and everything settles down, we might look at putting a pool. So this whole area across here, about 3/4 across, so from that side to that side, 3/4 of the way will all be the same level. And then there'll be a retaining wall that drops 1 meter down for that side of the property over there. And then a level here at the patio going towards the back of the property. The dirt level will be like 3 or 4 inches below the patio level. So you step down off the patio 4 inches down onto the grass, and then there'll be a 1 meter drop from the patio to the rear wall, and that drains all the water towards the back. But this will all be a big open area here. If we decide to end up doing a swimming pool, this will be the location for it. And then over that area, we're gonna do fruit trees and coconut trees and.
Oh, we would do coconut trees all over. Like one.
Right, but over there too. That's not just gonna be a big open area over there, right?
Oh, I would put some fruit trees there, vegetable or vegetarian trees.
Yeah, I don't really eat vegetables, so that's up to you. You want the work of it? Have at it.
I would put warm lemon lime.
I'll take my protein and a little bit of carbs, and I'm good to go.
I would plant like this.
So that's about it.
Oh, they already light.
What's that?
Already light.
Oh, power's back on. Oh, maybe we should
What?
contact Shenrik, let him know. Or do you think he knows?
Only one of don't have signal right over there.
Sorry?
You don't have Wi-Fi in the house. If
Well, we do now. The power's on.
you open the...
I don't know if I left anything on or turned it off. I can't remember. Okay. That's all I can think of. That's the updates for this week. It is Saturday, payday, last work day of the week. There's
And maybe Wednesday, guys,
Eric.
we have something to do, just emergency, so we'll tell you later what's going on.
yeah, we need to make a trip to Manila. I need a test, so we're gonna go Wednesday. So there might be a delay. We might do a video Tuesday night, drop a video Tuesday night.
Yeah.
What if I would give you a wake up, but then I will get more?
Yeah, we could do that too. We could add one of our.
One hour purpose where we go to Manila, Saturday,
Yeah. That's about it. So thanks everybody again. I think we're almost 2.1, if not 2.1 thousand
Yes,
subscribers. What's that, babe?
2,180.
Okay. All right, and then lots of comments still, so thank you everybody for the comments, do appreciate it. And I think that's about it. Anything else you can think of? All right. Okay, well, from Stella and I, thank you everybody. And stay tuned in a couple days, a few days maybe, for the next update. Again, there's a possibility that the next video might be delayed. So, yeah, the breeze is absolutely beautiful right here. No aircon needed. And that's about it. Okay. Okay.
Just wait. Delete that. I'm still not ready.
It doesn't matter. You can cut it, right?
No, I will not cut that.
Okay.
Hi guys. Today is 202 day. Just wait. Hi guys. Welcome to our.
From Stella and I, thank you very much to everybody. Like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and we'll see you guys in a few days. Okay, we out.